I'm thrilled to share my experience with the Realbarrier Extreme Cream, a product that has genuinely helped my skin feel healthier and stronger. Specifically formulated to repair damaged skin barriers and strengthen the skin's defense, this cream has been a lifesaver for my dehydrated and compromised skin. This cream uses MLE technology, mimicking the skin's natural components and structure. Balmy texture provides long-lasting hydration. It absorbs well despite thickness, has a pleasant scent. I've been using the Real Barrier Extreme Cream at night, as it's quite thick and I have oily skin. However, despite its richness, it absorbs beautifully and doesn't feel too heavy. The scent is lovely, making application a pleasant part of my evening routine. Since incorporating this cream into my skincare routine, I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin's health. My skin feels more resilient, and its natural barrier function has been restored. I'm confident that this cream will continue to help me maintain a strong and healthy skin barrier. If you're struggling with damaged, compromised, or dehydrated skin, I highly recommend giving the Real Barrier Extreme Cream a try. Its unique MLE technology and nourishing properties make it an excellent solution for repairing and strengthening the skin's defense.